Hello guys, we're about to go on a ride. It's getting quite dark. It's only going to be for about an hour or so, but it's going to be Gabi's first ride on her new bike. I'm super excited to have a riding buddy now. Let's go to the New Forest.
Can't wait to try out the new bike. I was sitting at the desk all day doing work and I just can't wait to get outside and try out the new bike.
Bike's already in the back. We're just going to shoot up to Holmesley campsite, I think, and go for a ride.
Sam knows all the routes.
Some of them around the local area. Ooh.
Do we need to check at the back?
Nah, all good. Bonjour.
Let's go! Fun times! Should we go?
We are all helmeted up and now we're going to go for a ride. Oh my god, what a goofball. Let me say that again. We've got our helmets on, now we're going to hit the trails.
Yay, let's go!
Hello guys, so we just came back from the ride. It was good fun. It was about 10 kilometers, I think. Just a little lap around the forest.
Yeah, it was super cool. I really enjoyed the ride. I'm still a bit new, so I need to get my fitness up, but other than that, super good.
Is the bike comfortable? Oh, you've taken the wheel off already.
Yeah, the bike was good. Yeah, really good.
Nice.
I tried like locking out the suspension and going on the road properly and then loosening it when going downhill. Yeah, I felt like I was going really fast. I don't know how it looked. Was I going really fast?
Oh yeah. Yeah, super fast.
Fun times.
Well, I'm really glad that the bike fits Gabs because I was really nervous buying the frame. It was hard to tell if it would fit her, but the owner of the bike previously was about the same height as Gabs, I think. So yeah, that was a pretty good telltale sign. Anyway, we're gonna load the bikes into the van, have a cup of tea and then head home. Cool, we're all packed up now, ready to go home. Just need to turn off the light and shut the doors. Should we go home?
Let's go home, have a cup of tea, watch an episode of Office, and go to sleep. Okay guys, thank you for joining us on our first ride, on my first ride on the new bike in the New Forest. It was so much fun. It's getting late now, so we're heading home and we'll see you next time.
Over and out.